Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 QX30. The INFINITI QX30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, dual exhaust, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.